Okay, on our caravan at the moment, the old seal that covers the screws has perished and shrunk, and I'm going to show you how you replace it with a new one. So the first thing to do is to take it out. It should come out quite easily. Okay, once you've taken it out, is take it to a caravan shop that sells it. They'll find the right size for you and measure the old one, or take the measurement before you go to the shop. Now, on this occasion, I've been to the shop and bought some new stuff, and as you can see, the new stuff looks slightly bigger than the old stuff because it hasn't shrunk. I've chosen silver, and I've bought the right length. And what you've got to do is put it in some water that's hot, but not so hot that you can't put your hand in it. So I've boiled the kettle and put some cold in it. It's just about bearable. So I pop this in the water, and I'm going to allow that to soak in the hot water, which will soften it. Okay, it's had a couple of minutes in there. So what I'm going to do is bring the bucket over so the rest of it can stay in there until I'm ready to use it. And on this caravan, someone's put a locking mechanism. So to start it off, I'm just going to slide it into the groove and just slide that up, just into there. So because it's soft, I can push it in with my fingernails, and I'm just running my 2 fingernails down on the seal. Is just fitting in the metal and it's expanding. That's all I need. I don't need any tools, just my fingernail. We're just getting to the first tricky bit now, which is the corner. Where it just needs a bit more squeeze on it. Work it in a bit more. It's got 2 corners in now, so I'm just going to double check what I've done already and make sure everything's in. Looks fine. I've got the hinge here, so I'm going to put a bit on the hinge side in first. It's because it's been warmed up, nice and malleable. Okay, so I'm getting to an awkward bit now where we're between a couple of hinges, and if I couldn't get here with my nails, what I'd do is I'd use a screwdriver, but I can just about get in as I'm putting the closest side to the hinge in first, and then just squeezing the second side in with my nail, and that seems to be working really well at the moment. Finding the inside first and then using my nail on the outside. Now for this last bit, I'm actually going to push it down further than that. Okay, I'm at the last bit now. Where someone's put this lock on, I can put my screwdriver down and go down quite a way. So I can see that from where I can see, I can cut about here. Which all I'm going to do to cut that is to use a normal pair of scissors. Now obviously if you just had a straight bit, you just make as straight a cut as you could to get in there. So for this last bit I've just got to work this in. Just going to make it slightly more difficult because I'm working from the bottom first. Get my last bit in. There we go. Job done. Now if I just inspect the whole lot, from having a shoddy looking piece of seal around there, it's back like new again.